Artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm, with Chat GPT leading the charge in conversational AI. But did you know there are AI tools out there that surpass Chat GPT in specific tasks? In this video, we'll explore a shocking list of AI tools that outperform Chat GPT in various domains. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, these alternatives might just change the way you work and interact with AI. Let's dive in and discover what makes these tools stand out from the crowd. While Chat GPT is incredibly versatile, it's not the only player in the AI space. Some tools offer more specialized features, better integration, or unique capabilities that ChatGPT simply can't match. By exploring these alternatives, you can find the perfect AI assistant tailored to your needs, whether it's for writing, coding, image generation, or research. Let's see why expanding your AI toolkit is a smart move. Claude AI, developed by Anthropic, is gaining attention for its remarkable reasoning abilities and safer conversational responses. Unlike ChatGPT, Claude is designed to minimize harmful outputs and provide more transparent explanations. It excels in complex problem-solving and is often preferred for sensitive business applications. If you value safety and clarity, Claude AI might be your go-to alternative. Google Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is Google's answer to advanced conversational AI. It integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, making it a powerful assistant for research, scheduling, and productivity. Gemini can access real-time information and offers deep integration with Google Workspace, giving it an edge for users who rely on Google's suite of tools. Perplexity AI stands out as a research-focused tool, offering concise and well-sourced answers to complex questions. Unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity cites its sources, making it ideal for academic work or fact-checking. Its interface is clean and user-friendly, and it's quickly becoming a favorite among students and professionals who need reliable information at their fingertips. Jasper AI is a powerhouse for content creators. It specializes in generating marketing copy, blog posts, and social media content with a creative flair. Jasper's templates and tone customization options make it a favorite for businesses and marketers looking to streamline their content production. If you need engaging and persuasive writing, Jasper AI is a strong contender. For developers, GitHub Copilot is a game changer. Powered by OpenAI, Copilot assists with code completion, bug fixes, and even entire function generation. It integrates directly into code editors like VS Code, making it an indispensable tool for programmers. While ChatGPT can help with code, Copilot's real-time suggestions and context awareness set it apart. Midjourney is revolutionizing the world of AI-generated art. Unlike ChatGPT, which focuses on text, Midjourney creates stunning visual artwork from simple prompts. Artists and designers use it to brainstorm concepts, generate inspiration, or even produce finished pieces. If you're looking to explore the creative side of AI, Midjourney is a must-try. Synthesia is an AI video generation platform that lets you create professional videos from text. It's perfect for businesses, educators, and marketers who want to produce engaging video content quickly. With customizable avatars and voiceovers, Synthesia makes video production accessible to everyone, no filming required. 11 Labs is leading the way in AI voice synthesis. Its technology produces natural-sounding voices for audiobooks, podcasts, and virtual assistants. With support for multiple languages and accents, 11 Labs is perfect for content creators who want to add a professional touch to their audio projects. Notion AI supercharges productivity by integrating AI directly into your notes and documents. It can summarize, brainstorm, and even write drafts all within the Notion workspace. For teams and individuals who rely on Notion for organization, this AI upgrade streamlines workflows and boosts efficiency. UCom is an AI-powered search engine that prioritizes privacy and customization. Unlike traditional search engines, UCom lets you control your sources and integrates AI summaries, making research faster and more relevant. It's a great alternative for those who want more control over their search experience. DeepL is renowned for its translation accuracy. It uses advanced neural networks to provide context-aware translations that often surpass Google Translate and ChatGPT. For professionals and travelers who need reliable language support, DeepL is a top choice. Runway ML is a creative suite for AI-powered video and image editing. It offers tools for background removal, video generation, and special effects, all powered by cutting-edge AI. Creators and filmmakers use Runway ML to bring their visions to life with minimal technical barriers. Replica is an AI chatbot designed for companionship and mental wellness. Unlike ChatGPT, Replica focuses on building emotional connections, offering support and conversation tailored to your mood. It's a unique tool for those seeking a more personal AI experience. Tome is an AI-powered storytelling platform that helps you create engaging presentations and narratives. It combines text, images, and design elements to craft visually stunning stories. If you need to pitch ideas or share information creatively, Tome is a fantastic resource. Copy AI is tailored for marketers and writers who need high-quality copy fast. It generates product descriptions, ad copy, and email templates with just a few prompts. Its focus on marketing language and conversion makes it a go-to for businesses looking to boost their messaging. Otter AI is a leader in AI-powered transcription. It converts meetings, interviews, and lectures into accurate, searchable text. With real-time transcription and collaboration features, Otter AI is essential for professionals who need to capture and organize spoken information. Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editing platform powered by AI. Its standout feature is the ability to edit audio by editing text, making podcast and video production incredibly intuitive. Descript also offers voice cloning and screen recording, making it a versatile tool for creators. Grammarly goes beyond simple grammar checks by using AI to enhance clarity, tone, and engagement in your writing. It provides real-time suggestions and integrates with most writing platforms. For anyone who writes regularly, Grammarly is an indispensable assistant. Quillbot is a powerful AI paraphrasing tool. It helps you rewrite sentences, improve clarity, and avoid plagiarism. With multiple writing modes and integration with popular platforms, Quillbot is a favorite among students and professionals alike. Poe by Quora is an AI chat platform that lets you interact with multiple AI models, including Chat GPT, Claude, and others. It's perfect for comparing responses and finding the best AI for your needs. Poe's flexibility and variety make it a unique hub for AI exploration. Character AI lets you create and interact with custom AI personalities. Whether you want to chat with a historical figure or invent a fictional character, this tool brings imagination to life. It's a fun and educational way to explore AI's creative potential. Llama 2, developed by Meta, is an open-source large language model that rivals ChatGPT in many tasks. Its open nature allows developers to customize and deploy it for a wide range of applications, from chatbots to research assistants. Llama 2 is a testament to the growing diversity in the AI landscape. Stable Diffusion is an AI image generation tool that creates detailed artwork from text prompts. Its open-source nature means anyone can experiment and build on its capabilities. Artists and developers alike use Stable Diffusion to push the boundaries of digital creativity. DALL-E 3 from OpenAI is a cutting-edge image generator that creates highly realistic and imaginative visuals from text. It's used in advertising, design, and entertainment to bring ideas to life. DALL-E 3's ability to interpret complex prompts sets it apart from other image AIs. Firefly's AI is an AI meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings automatically. It integrates with popular video conferencing tools, making it easy to capture important discussions and action items. For remote teams, Firefly's AI is a productivity booster. Magic Eraser uses AI to remove unwanted objects from photos in seconds. It's a simple yet powerful tool for photographers, designers, and anyone who wants to clean up their images effortlessly. Magic Eraser's intuitive interface makes photo editing accessible to all skill levels. Murph AI specializes in creating realistic AI voiceovers for videos, presentations, and e-learning. With a wide range of voices and languages, Murph AI helps creators add a professional touch to their projects without hearing voice actors. As we've seen, the world of AI is vast and rapidly evolving. While ChatGPT remains a powerful tool, these alternatives offer specialized features and unique capabilities that can enhance your workflow, creativity, and productivity. By exploring and combining these AI tools, you can unlock new possibilities and stay ahead in the digital age. The future of AI is bright, and the best tool for you might be just around the corner.